All right, YouTube. I got my little clothes in there. I got me enough for 2 days. Put some little soap in there. Now I gotta walk over here to the right by the fuel pumps. They should have some water there. Hopefully they got some water. Let's go check it out. Gotta do what I gotta do, YouTube. Gotta do what I gotta do. Oh yeah. Dirty boy. Gotta get in there and get it clean, y'all. This is the wash machine right here today. I ain't gonna be walking around with no dirty clothes. I'm sorry, YouTube. I can't do it. Man, that water is dirty, 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 dirty. Time for the rinse cycle. Gotta rinse them out now. Gotta wring them out now.